Yeah, hi, welcome to today's video, and we're going to be starting a whole series about I Tested It. Today I'm going to be looking at this video here, and I'm going to be testing the 3 apps that pay $1,000 cash daily without investment. So stay with me for the whole video. I've also got a bonus site I'm going to give you at the end of this video, which I've used to make over $100,000 online. Let's go and check it out and find out whether these apps can really earn $1,000 daily. Okay, so the first site he mentions is 1v1me, and this is, as you can see, a video game site that he says you can obviously earn $1,000 per day just by obviously playing video games. So I went and obviously investigated a bit more. So I signed up for the site and go and find out exactly more about it and whether you could actually earn this sort of money just by playing these video games. So if you come up into the main dashboard area here, so you can actually stake and bet on actual games. And this is sporting games that are going on. So this would be the NBA game. It tells you how much you can win. 1.8 is times. So if you actually stake $25 and the team you actually pick actually wins, then you obviously win $45. Let's see, there could be other things here. You play here on the side. They've got all these different games here. So if we click on this one here, so it says here you've got an open tournament. Well, this is better. This is where you can earn more money just by playing in the games. So you actually go enter tournaments and then you can actually win prizes. So $7 here buys you into the tournament. Total prizes on this one is $403. This one is $720. Now, it doesn't actually tell you how much you can actually win, but the total prize fund is obviously only $403. Trying to hit the $1,000 a day, probably not really possible. Is it possible to earn money with this? Yes, obviously it is, but of course you've got to obviously enter the tournaments, and you've obviously got to stake your winnings. So you've got to have a little bit of cash to be able to do this. I would obviously make sure you're obviously good at gaming to begin with. If you're not very good at gaming, this isn't going to be one for you. Okay, the second one that they talk about is PremiumChat. This says get paid to chat with clients, fans, and followers. Let's find out about the earning potential. So as you see here, this is how it works. You get a billing, so you get billed $1 per minute to people that want to actually chat with you. You can do the average length of chat, so the longer you keep them chatting, the more money that actually earns. Now your net payout is 0.6 cents per minute. So in other words, it's 60% of what the billing plan is. So for this one, argument's sake, if you are on charging $1 per minute for a 25-minute call, you're going to get $15 in profit. Still not $1,000 per day. Of course, this is something that you could earn money from. Is it very, very ethical? So if you've got loads of followers, would they really want to chat to you and actually for you to pay them to chat? Now, if you've got lots of followers and you've got lots of information that you can give away, and you want to get people on a one-to-one call, a bit like a coaching call, then you could charge them this very easily. It says here 5 chats per day will give you £75 profit. So you're going to earn some money, but it's certainly not going to be the $1,000 per day that's claimed in the video. So like we say, yes, you can again earn money through this, but again, you've got to have a really good following and or very knowledgeable about a certain subject that people pay you to chat to them. So the third one he talks about here, and this is Purerated. Now this is where experts can obviously get paid to answer questions about their particular topic. So again, you have to be an actual expert in a particular topic in order to get actually paid. And what you do, you would be recommending products, services, clothing, etc. To people as an expert. Then you are going to earn a commission. It doesn't really tell you exactly what the commissions are, but they're fairly low. Nothing much to say about that. So let's go on to the fourth one, which is Metafly. And this is another gaming website where you can obviously sign up to earn. And it says here at the top, grab a Metafly membership now and get access to amazing content, only $60. Also got a money back guarantee. So again, obviously you're going to be playing ads, playing games, probably entering competitions, that sort of thing. Very similar to the 1v1. But again, you're going to actually have to be good at gaming And obviously, you're going to have to be putting some money up front to get a membership first. So if you haven't got any cash, and that's why you're here, because you obviously want to get cash, then maybe this one is not a good one to start with. So the fourth one that they actually recommend, and that is a site called, and it's an app called Just Play. Now, I've actually done a whole video about Just Play, and I'll put a link to the video above here where you can go and actually watch my full video about Just Play and find out for yourselves whether you can actually earn $1,000 a month just by playing a few games. The next one I want to talk about is called User Interviews. Now it says we connect researchers and participants to get fast access to quality participants to earn money by participating in studies. Now you can sign up for free right away. You're not having to actually pay any money. So could this be the one that you could actually earn some money at? So you want to sign up to participate. So you want to browse online studies. You want to participate in FAQs, all that sort of thing, and then you will get paid. I went and signed up, and I did get a few studies through. But as you can see here, at the moment, there are no studies available. But what I did get, as soon as I actually signed up, you've been matched to earn $60 in 60-minute session for a small business owner. So will that allow me to interested start screener here? So as you can see, it's given me this interview here, so I could go and obviously earn $60 for this hour-long session. It says here I would need a computer with a webcam, smartphone. You cannot use a tablet. Although you can obviously earn reasonable money with user interviews. The last one I want to talk about, and that is going to be Immuno. And this is for freelancers. So this is very similar to sites such as Fiverr or Upworker, that sort of thing. And basically, you're going to obviously come onto the site, get a free account, and then you can obviously then do small tasks for some money. So they're looking for a marketing manager, so strategy and planning for ad design, web design and development, A/B testing, social media management, public relations, and more. So very, very similar to how the Fiverr, etc. work. So all in all, guys, these sites, no, you're not going to be earning $1,000 a month. Yes, they're all legit sites. They all pay out by the looks of it. So, but some of them you're only going to earn a few cents every day. Others you could earn $200 or $300 every single month if you actually start working it. So let me know in the comments which of these sites you're going to actually try out. I'm going to go and check out a few more in more depth and find out exactly how you can actually earn money. And I may be doing a few reviews about the individual sites, the ones that actually work really well. I promised you, obviously, a website which has got me over $100,000 in sales. And if you come to martinburt.online, which is my own website, you can click on my affiliate profit formula. I do affiliate marketing, so if this is something you're interested in and you want to start and try and earn money online, then this is a great way to start. I've also got ongoing support on my private Facebook group here, and also marketing tips on my other YouTube channel, which you can access too. Just pop in your details here and you will get access to my free mini course, which will show you exactly how to set it up so you can start earning money in the next 72 hours. I look forward to seeing you and helping you inside the Facebook group too. Trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, obviously smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.